What is computer-aided manufacturing? Need to know more about this type of production? We tell you everything about the CAM. Computer-aided manufacturing is the use of software and computer-controlled machinery to automate a manufacturing process. CAM is located at the interface of design activities and manufacturing activities based on the implementation of a physical machining process. The CAM therefore aims to transform the geometry defined in the CAD software into a geometry understandable by the machine tool. Its purpose is to increase business productivity. Its use improves adaptation to market needs. The quality of the products thanks to the database always accessible and updated regularly and to the possibilities of simulating the trajectories on the screen. Productivity by the speed of obtaining an elaborate program. Based on this definition, we need three components for a CAM system to work. Software that tells a machine how to make a product by generating toolpaths. Machines capable of transforming the raw material into a finished product. Post-processing converts toolpaths into a language that machines can understand. The phases of computer-aided manufacturing. 3D modeling. The design of the part to be manufactured is carried out using computer-aided design CAM software. The file thus obtained is called 3D modeling. This modeling is then exported, i.e., saved from the CAM in an intermediate file using an exchange standard. In other cases, CAD and CAM are completely integrated and do not require transfer. For these software packages, we speak of CAD CAM, such as CATIA and Fusion 360 software. Development of tool paths. After importing the 3D model into the CAM software package and then proofreading it, it is possible to move on to programming the toolpaths, which is the heart of the CAM activity. The programmer creates the paths while respecting the tool choices, the cutting and feed rates, and the machining strategies to be implemented. Then the simulation of the action of the tools and the material, thus allowing the programmer to check his machining methods and to avoid a priori collisions on the machine tools. Generation of the numerical control program. The next step is, from the CAM program developed to generate the ISO program used to drive the CNC machine tool. The program used for the conversion is called a post-processor. There are also independent machining simulation software programs that make it possible to reproduce the behavior of the machine tool in 3D by directly decoding the blocks generated by the post-processor. This makes it possible to take into account the real program given to the machine tool and not the result of the CAM. Transfer to the CNC machine tool. The ISO file obtained is transmitted to the MOCN numerical control machine tool by DNC Direct Numerical Control software, then executed by this machine after the essential adjustment phase. A numerically controlled machine tool CNC is a machine tool equipped with a numerical control. Today there are a variety of CAM or CAD CAM software. Here are the top 10 computer-aided manufacturing software. 1. Master CAM. Master CAM software incorporates enhanced toolpaths and CAD tools. 2. Fusion 360. Fusion 360 is one of the top 10 CAM software used in many manufacturing industries to develop the product. 3. SolidEdge. SolidEdge CAM software is the most widely used and easiest to use software. The main advantage of this software is that it performs all the operations of product development. 4. HSM. HSM Works CAM software is the top 10 software used in manufacturing industries. The biggest advantage of using this software is that it reduces cycle time and has potential milling, turning, and mill turn functionality. 5. SolidWorks CAM. SolidWorks CAM software is now integrated with SolidWorks CAD software. The advantage of this software to integrate with SolidWorks CAD is that it develops the product while it is in the design phase. We are talking about CAD CAM software and not CAM. 6. NX CAM. NX CAM software is the combination of NC programming capabilities and also manufacturing software applications. It provides an easy-to-use way and has won the satisfaction of customers in large numbers. 7. Gibbs CAM. Gibbs CAM is the most widely used software that provides many tools to design product parts faster. 8. PowerMill. PowerMill CAM software is the tool that has 2 to 5 axis milling capabilities. The benefit of using this software is that it reduces product development time and expense. 9. Simatron. Simatron CAM software includes all toolpaths with NC programming and ensures on-time product delivery. 10. SolidCAM. SolidCAM software is the leading software used by many industries. This software features iMachining's unique milling technology, which saves 70% of cycle time.